Here's Artifact personalized news app, and I just got off the whitelist, so now I can access the app. And let's explore how to create an account together so I can walk through. This app, in a nutshell, is like a new project by two Instagram co-founders. So it has a lot of hype to this app, and it's like a TikTok for news. So you will have like news topics you can follow, and then there is AI which recommends you more news, and that's like as a starting point of this project, and then you can get more out of it, I guess. So personalize your feed, select 10 or more topics. So what I want to explore: tech companies, travel, just for example, man style. um, um, yeah, apps. So something around that, and then I can just tap continue. Add pay subscription. We will prioritize them for in the feed. So I'm not subscribed to any of those. I think. Uh, Please allow to send you notifications. Artifact is learning. Feed improves each time you read. Read 25 articles for Artifact to better personalize your feed. Track progress on your feed. So yeah, there you have it. So it just starts. Uh, so here, for example, I can just go and just, okay, I opened TechCrunch article. Um, and then I'm just being redirected to all these websites, and that's like this app is kind of like TikTok for news reading. So um, so then I just want to see here what's happening. So then I can just remove some of the topics. So let's say I just only want to read like around that. So just really have like a minimum save. And then, for example, you can hide publisher, and then you can change your location. Let's say if you can change it to any other country. And then you can just see the number of views. Number of reads. And then if I just want to read apps, headlines, and then, for example, you can just read all of that. So yeah, and then, for example, read 25 articles in 2-week period for Artifact to better personalize your feed. Invite for friends. Then you can also sign out. You can see subscriptions, manage interest, content requests, accounts options. You can delete an account as well. Publisher subscriptions, which you can add. Yeah, so now I understand why it's that, because this app just redirects me to their websites, and of course, if the article is gated, I need to have some active subscription to have access to it. So that's basically the idea. And then you can just separately, you can see headlines, just some of the most trending viral headlines. So that's basically the idea. So that's just like a quick preview. Um, and hope that is helpful. And yeah, so thank you for watching.